Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to connect your YouTube channel to your VidIQ account. Also, before we get started, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. So first of all, you would need to create a VidIQ account. If you don't have an account on VidIQ already, I will leave a sign up link in the description below. So from there, once you create your account, open it up and go to your dashboard, this page here. So from here, if you haven't already connected your account, this connect your channel button will appear. So simply click on connect your channel. Once you click on that, a new page will load, redirecting you to your email accounts list. So from here, you would need to select an email account that you used to create your YouTube channel. So I will select this one. And if you have multiple channels on the same email, a list of those channels will appear here. So just select your email if that's the first channel that you created with it, or another channel. So the first channel that I created on this email is the channel that I want to connect and not this secondary one. So I will click on my email again. And then a list of options or permissions that you need to give to VidIQ will appear. So this is a Google page on which you need to allow these things to VidIQ. So VidIQ needs access to your analytics and access to manage your YouTube account. But you don't have to worry because VidIQ will only use your account information for analytical purposes or to, let's say, give you some extra keywords, etc., etc. So you would just need to press select all and then this continue button here. So once you click continue, you will be redirected back onto your dashboard and your YouTube account will be connected, as you can see here. So that's how you connect your YouTube channel to your VidIQ account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, don't forget to check out our Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.